Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sikha Gogoi and here I am in Koh Tao, which is a small island in Thailand. This is the breathtaking view of early morning from Viewpoint Resort where I am staying. So this video I'll give you the hotel tour and the room tour of Viewpoint Resort. Here I am for my breakfast in the cafe restaurant. The cafe restaurant is the only restaurant the Viewpoint Resort has. It serves you breakfast, lunch and dinner. If you look into the look of the restaurant, then it has the tropical look into it with high ceilings, bamboo work done all around. So here just next to the restaurant is the bar area or the outdoor sitting, and also there is the swimming pool, and next to it there is a washroom. So let me first show you the washroom. So here I'll show you the toilet, which actually gives you the nearby everything will give you so much of the jungle feeling, or you'll be so close to nature. So once you get out of the washroom, first you get the outdoor sitting area, and there is this diving where you get all the diving equipments. So you can actually take it for a day. It's I think around 100 baht. I'll also make a video where I'll give you the pricing and everything. And this again is the bar area, which is the cafe restaurant itself. And here also if you see there are high ceilings with the bamboo work all down throughout. So if the whole Viewpoint Resort itself, if you go to the reception rooms and everything has so much of bamboo work and the jungle touch to it. It's very close to nature and it's very peaceful. So here let me take you to another favorite spot of mine from Viewpoint Resort. That is the garden area. So here I am giving you the hotel tour based on how many hours where I have spent. So I have spent the maximum hours of my cafe restaurant with that beautiful view. So here I am walking towards the garden area. The garden area is just next to my room, and the view is on another level. I understand why this resort is called Viewpoint Resort. Once you are there, everything from everywhere, it's just a lovely, breathtaking. a very interesting fact about the Thai people is they have their temple outside because they believe we are surrounded by spirit and they do pray to the spirits. That's the reason they provide drinks. So here comes the reception area. If you see the surroundings, the pathways and everything is the cobbles and stones, and even here also if you enter and if you first thing you will see is everything is of high ceiling and then simple, subtle, will give you a very calm, like you enter and everyone is so sweet and nice. So here I am walking towards my room. If you see the pathways, again these are cobbles and stones. I so feel like this is has been the nature has made it beautiful, and the rooms has been just built next to the nature itself without disturbing the nature. So there are sea view rooms, there is villa, private villas, and there is garden view room. Let me walk to my room and open it and show it from inside.
This is like the perfect vacation house, and in the perfect time I'm in the month of July. So let's come in, I'll show you everything and tell you more about it. So I'll start. So as usual I always say the washroom area, here it's not the same. So it starts with a small very standing fan because we are in Thailand and the weather here is always like a little bit moist, and you know they don't use much of AC concept, is there air conditioning. So they are giving us a fan, and because it's a beach area so you need a lot of area to hang your clothes, and I have utilized it quite well. There's a suitcase space, not really like a space but you can keep the suitcase areas. They have given a good lamp and a small locker. Yeah, so you get a telephone with the things written here with all the room numbers. So it's, you can actually call other cottages also if you have friends here. So they have given the numbers and everything here. And so not so big space, as in not so many rooms are there. That's why you are getting all the numbers here. So yeah, the small lamp is there, and there is this area is just not for keeping any things here, but I have utilized it. There are a few mosquitoes and insects also for keeping my stuffs all over here. You can too if you want to. And this thing, I know this is the fanciful thing nowadays that we use in India, but it's been used as traditionally also here in Thailand since a long time. And again this side there's a lamp, a little bit space for you to keep things over here. This is space for you to keep things, so we have a lot of thyme, sunflower seeds and all. There is this refrigerator area where we have, actually it is empty generally, but we have kept our stuffs here. There's a very small TV which I don't think much of the people utilize once you come to a beach area. And then comes the washroom. So they have a basin, and yeah, one thing that is missing here is the mirror part. You get this size mirror, you don't really have a long mirror or makeup mirror and all, which I don't need makeup mirror, but a long mirror is necessary. So you have to put the napkins and all here. And these are all Thailand products. These are like all local produced, and it has more of smell of pandan leaf. If you know the very, in India you get that same smell from kheer. So there's a shower point, and I like the tiles here. This is not at all slippery. They are not used a regular one. It is like different patterns are there, which is quite convenient when you are. Yeah, these are all have mosquito repellents kept over there. We are not using it. We are using the spray generally, which we use for ourselves. So now we're done with the bathroom area.
So this is the balcony. If I'm in my room, I spend major time in this balcony. It overlooks the sea and at the same time the swimming pool. The important thing that I forgot to show you is the swimming pool, which is next to the bar area or the outdoor setting. And this is, you can say, have an infinity view. And also I am showing you the top because that's up there in the room I am staying in, which is the swimming pool and also the sea view. This is the place where I have spent most of the evening after doing touristy thing at daytime.
This was it for today's video. If you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, I'll keep coming up with new videos about travel, hotel room tours and also food and everything about traveling. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.